Hi, my name is P. I'm going to teach you how to create a Figma website. From the beginning, just open Figma from the Google and just create an account using an email address and password. Here I am just making it bit faster. After creating, you can download it from there, from the option side, from Mac, Windows, anything. After downloading, open the Figma. Open Figma and create new tab. Open new tab. Create new tab. After creating a new tab, you need to create a frame, and shortcut is A. A frame is very important things in Figma. Anything you have to design, you have to just create a frame. There are after frame, you can see it in the right side. Let me show you. Yeah, MacBook Pro, TV, desktop, presentation, paper, A6. You can also print it here. You can also phone, iPad, anything you want to design. There is all the frame you can find there. So you can see the frame. Let me pick a frame. Let me just create a MacBook Pro frame. I'm going to build a simple website. Just show you how Figma works. So let's create a rectangle. In Figma, rectangle is very important. Everything you have to design using the rectangle. So create a rectangle. Just press R. You can able to create the rectangle. So press R. Just create rectangle. Created. You can change the color from here. Fill color from here, and just write anything you want. Let me write something. So you can press T, and from there you can write. Let me write. I'll do a logo first. So let me make a logo. Let me make just logo. I'm making it to the left. Now I'll do a navigation menu. Just create a navigation menu. About navigation menu, service, work, contact. Yes. After that, once you just press Shift A. It's a very important thing. Shift A is auto layout. Shift A. So everything in auto layout. Auto layout means everything like something like group, but you can able to change the spacing, adding margin, and everything from there. So you can change the spacing between the menu. So I'm reducing the size to 16-17 pixels, and I can align it to the middle, and I will create a button. So just Shift A again. It will create a button. Use the padding, and you can change the background and foreground color. Make it and just increase the padding a bit, and up down, top and bottom a bit. Just let me add a border radius. So I like to make rounded. So now again I have to create auto layout. Shift A, and it will now auto layout has been created, and I have to make it middle the menu. So let me create the space between. So everything will be in the middle. Yeah, the menu will be in the middle below between the logo and the button. And here you can see. Now I will create a hero text. So let me create a hero text. You can log, right click and you can log there. Let me create a hero text, or you can change the background, something like if you want like to use any image you can upload from your PC or computer, Mac. So let me upload. I'm taking out let me upload. So now I can also how to use gradient. So you can use the gradient there as well. And in the border you can add a border stroke there. You can add a drop shadow, something like this. I'm showing you how to create drop shadow. So now I'll write something here. The hero text, so make it a little bigger, bold. This is the description text. Again, you can control D comma to copy. This is description, and let's keep the button here. So read more. There's the button. So everything again shift A, so it will be in a auto layout, and I'm making it in the middle. You can change the back gradient here, image here. You can also make an image in Figma AI. So let me try if I can make anything here. So right hero. So you're making taking like time, making it a little faster. Almost ready. Ready. And this just PC. Yes. So let me use a plugin called Unsplash. You can use from the plugin here. So plugin.